Hi guys, welcome to my channel, itsAbeeyola. If it's your first time, then welcome. Great to have you. If it's not your first time, then welcome back, family. Alright, so this video, we'll be doing an install of this braided wig. It's got cornrows at the front and then single braids at the back, and it's quite long. I'll be using Got to Be gel and the spray. So you need just a little bit, put it on the front of my hair, and this just helps the lace stick to my hair. It's just gel, it's not glue, but you need to make sure you take it out properly. You just need a little bit of gel, put it at the front or around. The wig itself, the unit, it's a frontal, and then the back's just regular. So I'm gonna put the band on, and then it's got adjustable straps, and I put the adjustable straps on the tightest, and so I'm just gonna put that across. I don't have my hair underneath braided cornrowed. I suggest that you probably should do this. I could be bothered, so yeah, I just put in a bun. I actually really liked it from the first look. It looks kind of cool. Of course, I need to work with it. It did feel a little bit heavy to start with, I guess, because I'm not used to having that much bulk of hair on my head. So it did feel heavy, and I felt like I had to keep moving it forward. So this is the Got to Be spray. This again, I think this is me doing extra. You could probably use one or the other, but I'm doing double with the gel and the spray. But the spray also acts again as like a glue. It's gonna just fuse that lace to your hair and to your scalp. I suggest if you've got a nice big forehead like I do, make sure that lace is on your forehead and not on your hair. If it's on your hair, it's still okay. Just make sure when you're taking it out, you take it out gently, and you make sure you use water to take it out. So don't yank this off. Please use water. Just use a spray bottle to get that glue nice and moist, and then it will slip off easily. This is me styling, so I just put the glue on to fuse the lace to my head, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay my baby hairs. This unit actually came without baby hairs, but I told her that I wanted it. In my head, I just feel like if you've got cornrow units, you need some kind of hair. I may have done a bit too much with it, but yeah, I definitely like it with some sort of hair, some sort of baby hair with the unit. But you can request not to have that. It's custom. So let me know, have you guys ever tried a braided wig? Okay, so I just wanted to come on quickly and show you, or say something that I did off camera. You want to, like, on the lace right here, you want to use your foundation or your powder, just, you know, take it and then just dab it on the net and the lace. That'll help it blend in more. And then I also use my concealer. I put a bit on my hand. Then I got one of these brushes, took some, and then just went like that with the concealer. So that just gave it a more natural look. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Until my next video, please remember to like, to share, and to comment on the video. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell sign so you don't miss out when I upload videos every single week. And don't forget to binge some of the other videos, okay? Bye. Till next week.